Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go around the corner, and so this little lane does meander quite a bit, and we're gonna walk down this way. I feel like I'm in Chongqing, China. There's a lot of these things where you're going up. Yeah, I know exactly where we are now. Okay, this street's called Beco da Boa Vista, which is basically the lane of the good view. And this view right here, basically we're looking down, we're basically on a hill. So we're gonna try to capture it, but you can see the Portuguese consulate right there, and then right over there is Grand Lisboa. So it goes down like this. And then we're actually gonna meander through this way and go down this way and then over this way. Then you can see another one that goes down towards St. Lazarus. So there's actually going to be a couple things, and we got some kind of interesting architecture in here too. So we're going to capture this whole little space and show you the Beco de Boa Vista 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so Beco de Boa Vista. So the first thing I think we're going to do is we're going to just highlight, we got this alley down that way. We're also going to go down that way. There's a little yoga shop down that way. Then we're going to go down there first, and then we're going to come back and then go down this way. So let's go down first. Yeah, it's actually amazing because these, at one time these buildings wouldn't have been here, and then when they were not here, then they would have this amazing view. But I guess they do have the consulate here, but this consulate used to be a hospital, so it hasn't always been, so I guess this used to be a pretty famous hospital actually. So that's the beginning of our street, and we're gonna go back up there in a moment. But before we do, let's just capture the backside of the consulate. Little pound cake, coffee, chocolate shop. And then that just goes, and if you go down, you go, you'll eventually go over to Salado Square and Sao Paulo ruins and such like that. But what we're gonna actually do is go back up into our street and go up into the hill a little bit, and then we're gonna highlight the other good view, Boa Vista. So let's go. It does look pretty cool. So we're gonna go down straight down that way in a moment. And then I also just want to highlight there's some other little alleys in here too. So we're still in our Beco, and then now we have another street called Beco das Chagas. So we're just gonna go up this one real quick. Crazy sport. And then you got some other kind of interesting stuff. So we're just surrounded by apartments that are up in this hillside. Let me just kind of go down this way. Just want to see something real quick. Oh, okay. Let me just get this apartment building, but I saw some other kind of interesting stuff in here too. So, oh, okay. It just goes straight up into this little space like that. Oh, okay. That's amazing. So this apartment just goes right into something like that. Yeah, there's a lot of interesting stuff. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go around the corner. And so this little lane does meander quite a bit, and we're gonna walk down this way. And then that goes, so you can see the consulate right there, Grand Lisboa there. And there's actually some other interesting stuff in here too, Uchi handcrafts. So I think this is actually a pedestrian street, so there's no cars that can come up this way that I'm aware of. So it kind of has this interesting element. So we're gonna meander around the corner. Then as we go down the corner, there's gonna be another Boa Vista, another view. It's still the same hilltop that we're on. Yeah, actually that yellow building is the consulate right there too. So at this spot it actually comes up closer to it. I think that's part of the consulate. Let me just kind of see real quick. Huh. Then we go down into that space down there. Looks like it goes to the consulate. So anyways, this street just keeps on going. You see some rooftops up there. And we're actually gonna meander down this way. And it just kind of keeps meandering down over here too. So you can basically see that we are on a hilltop. And this one goes back down again towards St. Lazarus. So on the other side where the Portuguese consulate is at, that was a hospital for quite a while. And I think it also like took in orphans and things like that. I think there was some, I think it's definitely like a Catholic related one. And then this over on the other side was kind of nothing. And then they developed this whole area called St. Lazarus. So anyways, you got a little bit of a taste of this area. It's our target street. And St. Lawrence's church, St. Lawrence is down that way. And then down this way it goes downhill again, and that goes towards Rua de Campo. So it'll just kind of meander like that and go back up again. So we're on a hilltop on this side, and then there's another one straight ahead on the other side again. So you can see how that works. Music shop. Okay. And Calçada do Poço. So that was up where we were just at a little while ago. Then we have St. Roque Street, St. Michael Street, San Miguel. I don't know if this is part of Terceira or not, but we are kind of going back up on the same hill again. So I'm just gonna show you where this one goes exactly. And then you can kind of get a context. Oh, okay. This one just keeps going up. I think that this is going to go to we'll see where it goes. I think it's going to go up to like a fortress area to take a lot of steps. Okay. Yeah, let me just kind of turn around real quick. So yeah, we're just kind of going up the hill now. I feel like I'm in Chongqing, China. There's a lot of these things where you're going up. Yeah, I know exactly where we are now. Yep. So this is actually called, we're going to show you in a second. There's a fortress right up there, and with cannons. So we're basically that little place of the good view. is right up here where these cannons are at. So anyways, it's like a little hill at the base of a bigger hill, which is this hill. I wish I could take down that wall. Okay. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.